Are you struggling to crack the code on selling high-ticket products? Let me share a quick secret with you. It's not about hard selling. It's about building trust. People don't buy high-ticket items on impulse. They invest in them. So your job is to show them the value. Whether it's a $1,000 course or a premium coaching program, you need to focus on solving a specific problem your audience cares about. Here's the key. Tell a story. Show how your product changes lives. Back it up with proof, testimonials, results, real success stories. And always use language that speaks to their goals, whether that's financial freedom, personal growth, or peace of mind. But you might be wondering, where do I find high-ticket products to sell? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Click the link in the description to check out John Thornhill's Ambassador Program. It's the perfect place to start if you want to master high-ticket affiliate marketing without creating your own products. Don't miss this opportunity. Start selling smarter today.